Manuel Beltrán University, Activity 3. My name is Edna Constanza Rodriguez Vizcaya. Purchasing order. Summary. According to the research carried out, it believed had the best tips for the improvement of the purchasing order in my company are 1. Centralized purchasing, 2. Focus on quality, 3. Purchasing locally, 4. Build long-term relations, 5. Explore outsourcing some purchasing. Centralized purchasing. This is commonly used strategy where purchasing for the entire company is might be one department. It allows for a lot more control over purchasing on all levels and helps minimize waste. So we will create a department in charge of all the company's purchases to optimize resources. We are going to delegate this responsibility to a group specialized in the area of procurement and supplies. Focus on quality. Companies need to go beyond working on the quality of their own products to ensure their suppliers are just and vigilant in their operation. Evaluate and analyze the quality of your suppliers, processes and products, and the choice those that will consistently deliver on their promises to you. Reviews of the suppliers' products will be carried out. How long will it take us to realize it? It does matter the important visit had many of the products will have a meticulous quality control. We prefer to have only one good quality product and many bad ones. Purchase locally. If it can be done without compromising quality or price competitiveness, look to purchase locally. It will help you to create close relationships with your suppliers and reduce shipping costs. We will purchase our products locally and save you a lot of cost. We will have many options for our purchase, which will increase our spectrum of suppliers. We long-term suppliers relationships. Developing long-term relationships with suppliers creates and mutually beneficial partnerships. Better quality product and price reductions are the principal advantages of strong relationships and longer-term contracts. Open communication between buyer and supplier can also lead to more tailored service. Through loyalty and transparency, we will enhance the relationships with our suppliers. Explore outsourcing some purchasing. It is important that companies recognize their core purchasing competencies. They might be effective at acquiring supplies they only use. But is a special project calls for unfamiliar products. It can be helpful to see the advice of the purchasing consultant that specializes in the products in questions. That's we in the future we are thinking of expanding into national markets, so we will outsourcing some of our services in order to better cover the entire spectrum of existing consumers in these new markets. Thank you.